Any company, if they are producing a mask production with the intentions to sell, right? So obviously mass productions will decrease the product. We are not bothering about the customer needs. We are just focusing how I can increase aggressive sales or expecting. Selling view the customers at the last link of the business. Marketing strategy are designed to maximizing profitability. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 1, Session 2, first semester BCom, Principles of Marketing. The chapter name is Introductions to Marketing. So you will get more clarity about the company orientations to the marketplace and the difference between marketing and selling. What are the major difference, and the importance of marketing and the nature of marketing. Okay, so moving forward one by one. So under company orientation to the marketing place. So if you're talking related to core marketing, there are different concepts which is familiar. And if you're talking related to company orientation, the first one, the production concept. So any company, if they are producing a mask production with the intentions to sell, right? So obviously mass productions will decrease the product price. You can able to access, you can able to offer the product to the end consumer. The consumers are expecting your product. They are expecting a product the cheaper price. Of course, the mask production is very important. The company start producing in the product mask quantity. So that is not cheaper and more readily available. The consumers are always depending your product. Of course, the company want to start producing a mask production so that they can reduce the price in the product. So second one, the product concept. If you're talking related to physical product, of course, the consumers are expecting a quality factor, design, packaging, what and all innovative product. When they're purchasing a product, they are trying to compare with your competitor, what exactly the benefits are expecting from the individual product. So we are talking related to quality product. Okay, the consumers are always giving a priority to the quality, even by paying higher price. If product is having a high quality, if it is something innovative product, of course the consumers are accepting your product. So based on the product concept. Okay, so now the selling concept, which is directly focusing, the company always that try to sell the product for end consumer. So the focusing a primary on generating a more sales. Now sales is completely depending on the production. So we are not ignoring the concept. The selling is generating a revenue for any company or business, always focusing a selling, right? So they want to sell more and more product. Of course, they can generate the revenue. And the marketing concept, if you're talking related to selling concept, which is directly focusing for sale, but marketing concept, which is bothering about the consumer expectation, what exactly the consumers are expecting, how the company want to satisfy the consumers' needs according to needs, wants, okay, preference. Considering the need and want of the consumer, the company, they try to concentrate the consumer. They want to maintain a good relationship. They want to satisfy providing according to the consumer expectation. So which is completely a marketing concept, which is coming under the modern concept. Customer concept. So customer concept, any company are offering a product for customer basis, capturing how you can capture your customer, how you can retention your customer, okay, capturing and retaining its customer, not only for one day. So the customers are always, if they are purchasing the company specific product, whatever it is offered by the company or business, okay, again and again, because of we are standing in the competitions world, the customer is a king for any business. Obviously you need to retain your customer for long period so that the company can sustain for long period. societal marketing concept. Now any company, they want to take care the responsibility, they are taking a responsibility for society, so which is related to the company, any specific product which is not damaging for environmental, which is a friendly product is offered. So we are talking related to the welfare of the society. So focusing on the social responsibility and recommend maintaining the long-term success. So using a material what and all which is related to, which is coming under the society. So based on the society, we need to bother as a businessman, they want to bother, they want to give a priority for the welfare of the society. The difference between marketing and selling, the marketing is a complete process and selling is one specific activity or function, sub-functions. So under selling, so the emphasis on the product. So they are trying to focus only for the sales. So they are focusing only for the product, how I can sell. Okay. In case of marketing, so emphasize of the customer wants. Because we are talking in a modern marketing, always talking related to how you can meet the customer needs and wants according to the customer expectation or consumer expectation. So sales are primary motive in the sales, because we are talking related to sales activity which is coming under the marketing activity. So we call it as a sub activity. So here, which is the primary motive is only for sales under marketing, to satisfy the consumers. Okay, how we are satisfying the consumer? Based on the consumer expectation or needs and wants. When the company are trying to produce according to the consumer expectation, of course the satisfaction of the consumers is very important for surviving for a long period. So the satisfaction of customer is a primary. The first under sales, which is completely the productions, first production, then selling take place at the profit without knowing the customer needs. We are not bothering about the customer needs. We are just focusing how I can increase aggressive sales or expecting. But in case of marketing, so the first customer needs is known, then the production take place. Okay, that means you are giving a based on the customer priority. Now the company start producing. Once they're producing as per their expectation, now they start selling the product. So that is then the product is sold for profit. Of course, they want to survival. The profit is very important for surviving. Okay. Next one. Internal, the company orientation, which is completely focusing on the internal, which is a company what they are setting for the sales target. And it is completely external factors, market orientation, because we need to sustain for the long period. Comparing with your competitors, we need to take steps towards the market, right? So we are giving a priority, we are empathizing for the market, right? Next one, cost determine price. Here the sales is completely depending on the cost of the product. Based on the product cost, the production cost, the sales is focused, the profit is fixed. But here the price determine cost according to the market price or competitor price. We are studying completely for the environmental, external environment. So that's what it's very important here. And the selling view the customers at the last link of the business. So only they are focusing for sales, aggressive sales when they are expecting. Of course, the target is only for sales, which is a last link. But in case of marketing view the customer as the very purpose of the business. Each and every phase is very important. Phases you need to study the complete process of business, very important. It is an activity that converts goods into cash. So now sales is an activity, okay, which is converting a cash, because they want to focus, they are generating whatever they invested at the time of sales only they can recover the money. But it case a function that convert the consumer needs into product. The consumer, based on the consumer needs when they try to produce a product, so we are meeting the consumer needs first. We are giving a prioritizing for the consumer's needs first, then we are start producing the product. Moving forward, Importance of marketing. Why marketing is very important? Why it is very important for any business? Okay. So the first one, the market visibility and awareness. So you need to marketing department. They try to, with the help of marketing research team, they try to collecting information. So they try to get a more and more clarity about the competitors or supplier, what and all the product is readily available. So the complete visibility we will get to know because of marketing. And awareness, to create more and more awareness about the product and service what you're offering, marketing is very important. So obviously, and the customer acquisition, to get a customer to consumer is very important. To customer acquisition, with the help of marketing team, marketing only it is possible. You will get to know if you are offering a specific product, where exactly customers are located, where they are showing interest, where I can get my customers or consumers. And next one, brand building. To build a brand, very important, the marketing, how they are creating a brand. So when they are comparing with the competitors, what kind of branding strategy they are adapting. And next one, competitive advantages. Because with the help of marketing only, we are trying to get more clarity about the competitors' products so that the competition analysis can be easily done. And the customer retention, to keep your customer once they are purchasing a product for the long period, the customer expectations or preference or needs, what they are expecting, with the help of marketing department only we will get to know. So then only we can take a proper decision according to the plan, and decisions will be going in with the help of marketing. And the marketing research and insight. Marketing research we are talking. Search means only one type. Research, again and again we need to search what customers or consumers are looking or expecting, or what they are preferring, or either giving a priority for color or packaging, labeling, so quality. So each and everything we will get more clarity, we will get more information from the marketing research. And the revenue generation. Marketing is not only for the focusing sales, they are generating a revenue with the help of different types or different promotional to create more awareness, to spreading the market, to create awareness about the product. So they are capturing a customer. So obviously the revenue generation is increasing here. The product development and innovation. We will get, as a marketing department, marketing, with the help of marketing only, we will get more clarity what consumers are looking, why they are purchasing the product, what kind of benefit they are expecting. Okay, so each and every stage informations we collected so that we can take steps to develop a new product. And the adoptions to market share. There is a lot of changes are going, which is taking place in the market. Obviously, with the help of marketing only, which is not only for the selling product, which is the exchange of informations also we are predicting here. So the adaptability means what and all the changes is going as a company, as a businessman, they want to adapt. So obviously, with the help of marketing only, we will get more information. And the long-term sustainability. Whenever the marketing is there, definitely we will get more clarity, either what kind of complexity we are facing, what problem we are facing, either company side or customer side or retailer side or dealer side or consumer side. All the information once you collected, so according to the information what you collected, which is relevant for taking a proper decisions. Moving forward, and the nature of marketing. So nature of marketing, the first one, customer centric or customer orientation, which is completely focusing for the customer. So marketing involves around understanding and satisfying customer needs and wants. Because the marketing, we are talking related to modern marketing. We are not talking related to traditional marketing. The traditional marketing only focusing for sale, but modern marketing concept, which is always focusing for how you can satisfy your consumer so that the consumers can retain in your company product. They again and again they are purchasing your same product what they are purchasing. So they are spreading a positive opinion. It is a customer-centric activity aimed at creating value for the consumer, because the customer capturing a value from the consumer and creating a value for the consumer expectation. Of course, so it is completely which is a customer-centric. and the exchange process. Any company, when they are producing a product or offering a product or service to the any end consumer, so which is nothing but the exchange will going on. For example, the producer are selling a product with the help of wholesaler. So something producer selling a product which is a flow of product is going, and the same thing, the cash is coming here. So here marketing involves the exchange of goods, service, idea, not only for the product. So something information is also exchanging. So idea you can get from the field of market, you can get more and more information. So okay. Idea between the buyer and seller, it facilitates transaction that benefit both the party, either buyer or seller, producer, wholesaler, retailer. So all the party, those who are involved in the process. Next one, which is a dynamic, which is not only one specific activity focus, which is a different types. So marketing is a dynamic and constantly evaluate due to change in the consumer preference, technology and market trend. It required to adaptability and innovation. So we are talking not only one specific area, there are different technologies coming, playing an important role, okay. And of course the consumer preference, marketing research team, marketing information, advertising related, promotions related. So we are talking completely which is a dynamic. Moving forward, fourth one, profit oriented. So profit, any company always they are expecting a profit oriented. Of course the marketing, with the help of marketing only, the business engage the marketing to generate revenue and profit. So when the marketing team according to marketing plan, program, strategy, what they are adapting to increase the profit, so which is of course which is helpful for the business. Marketing strategy are designed to maximize profitability. And next one, communication. Marketing is a channel to communicate producers to end consumer, which is acting like a mediator or agent. So effective communication is a fundamental aspect of marketing. Proper communications channels you need to select. It involves the conveying a message, information and value, proposition, target audience through the various channels. So not only for communicating for the consumer, so even from the consumer base also they are trying to collect more and more information which is relevant to take your proper planning. And holistic approach, which is overall approach, integrated relationship, okay. So now not only focusing for only one specific activity. So marketing emphasize on a wide range of activity which include marketing research and product development, pricing, distribution, promotion and customer relationship management. So holistic means all together. So which is it take holistic view to the business, not only for one area or not only for one session. So influence on the decisions making. Marketing is always influencing for the decision making because the management want to take proper planning towards the marketing strategy or program, what and all they want to design. So marketing influence the consumer purchasing decision through the branding and advertising and other pursuit technique. So keep on watch for next section. Thank you.